Okay, ready for briefing?
Yeah.
You want me to make a full emergency briefing or standard?
If you want, whatever you want.
Okay, emergency standard. Departure briefing, aircraft status is good, except we have one light is inoperative on the engine intake door. So, and expecting 28,000 for takeoff. Flaps 5, condition levels max, blitz on mean speed set 122, 130, 133, 142, 154, cross checked, and D1 we rotate with the temperature and runway contamination or wet runway correction. And acceleration 2170 set 2 times, and weather above minimum, QNH 100 2 times, your side to go. QNH. Not on no restriction for us, and expecting runway 22, Lima Papa Alpha taxi road, and we are able to departure from intersection Bravo also, just in case.
Let's see. Probably we will go to the beginning because it went the wrong way.
Okay, and
we are on time.
okay, just in case. So we are cleared by Kokam 5 Golf. Plate number 30-10, 19 February 25, effective 20 March 25. Transition out to 10,000, and after takeoff we climb runway heading after passing 1,800. Slightly turn left on course 206.
3 nautical miles.
Yeah, after passing 3 nautical miles at 1,800, and turn left on course 206, and Ligma between 6,000 7,000, and Kokam between 120 to 40. Mean sector out to 3,000. Correction 2,600. In case of engine failure is we climb 2,700 and then turn left, and inbound 035 expect direct entry, right turn. So what else? Threats, birds, and that's it. Rain. Maybe bumpy. Set question suggestions. Okay.